What is going on, guys? So, equities just opened. All right, guys. So yeah, equities just opened. You can see indices are falling. I'm actually just gonna start selling indices. Honestly, let's look at these stocks real quick. See what's going on for the day. Probably should have been selling indices, right? Looking at it in hindsight. Let's see what's going on today. Might have a bullish day finally. That's gold. I'm gonna be looking for longs on gold. Let's keep it simple. Take it out of there. CGU, AU. Doing a quick scan real quick. I am in U, Chef. Right. If you guys weren't paying attention yesterday, I did send this out into the I did send this out on Instagram. So just to kind of look at this real quick. Basically, we are in this huge reaccumulation right here. Let me turn this music down just in case for you guys as well. So basically, we're in this huge reaccumulation right here, guys. This area gave us this push towards the upside. Since then, we can see that the market has been coming lower down into order flow. We came back into that original demand, right? This is the only place here that I see this market reacting from for now. Other area would be down here. Okay, so we took a shot there off the accumulation and here, boom. Took a shot here off this accumulation. As you guys can see, the market is ranging. We're building liquidity underneath the lows. We sweep the lows and we get the push higher. Come back, we mitigate. So yeah, I'm currently in this trade. We're gonna see how it plays out. Kind of still near the entry. We haven't taken off here. We're only talking a 1 to 3 on there. So see how that plays out. Another major thing is GQ. I'm still watching GU here. Potentially looking to take a sell from this. We do have news coming out in like 20 minutes, so I want to wait. But yeah, potentially looking for a sell there. Have a pretty good range right here. This looks like a really good distribution. We do have a sign of weakness right here. Hopefully we can get that distribution, give us a retracement on this market and overall just on EU as well. But it really depends on DXY. As we know, DXY has been like super bearish, and it doesn't seem like that's gonna stop, which is why we've been kind of cautious on trying to sell GU. And I believe this will continue lower. Honestly, I don't really see anything that's gonna stop us at the moment. We did try to stop and accumulate here, but as you can see, the selling pressure is looking like it wants to continue. So I do think we will continue lower until we get down here into that demand, which will take EU and GU a little bit higher. We were looking for buy opportunities on GU as well. As per our last market analysis, we're looking for buy opportunities here. You guys can see we swept the lows, but we never really came into the demand that I was looking to buy this from. I was looking to buy into that sell, but we never came into that demand. We never tapped into it. We swept the lows, but we never came into that exact demand for us. So we're gonna see what news gives us today. At 10, we have job openings. See if that can give us a manipulation or something that we could trade. EU, it's just been taken off. EU's just been taken off, honestly. Something I would probably look for today, and like I said, I'm waiting for news, and depending on what news gives us, that's gonna be the next trade. If we get a manipulation, hopefully we can get like a manipulation of these lows and tap into this area here, and then we could take the market higher, something like that. We don't want to just buy this market at the top or for no reason, right? So as we are coming higher, we are getting closer into this area here, which is our origin of this whole push to the downside. So I am going to expect the market to slow down as we come up here. So don't be surprised if you see we start ranging as we do come up here. That's also going to take DXY into its demand zone, where I do expect this to at least range or halt for a minute before we do get the next move, if we're going to either react and continue higher. As you can see on the higher time frame here, that is the origin that gave this push. So either we come in here and we give a reaction that takes us back into a bullish market cycle, or we'll probably pause and continue lower, right? There's no guessing which way we are going to go. But right now, honestly, what I will say is this is some heavy bearish pressure. So if we do not at least stop into here, we'll probably just fall through it. But we'll see. We'll see. I expect at least a reaction from there. Let's see. So GU here. Talked about EU. I am looking for longs on EU though. I just need something to take it off of. Either we come into here with news and we just buy it from this area. That's why I have this line here. I was honestly just gonna set a limit order there, stop loss at the low, and just take it into the I was just gonna take it into the origin, right? I was just gonna take a simple trade there into the origin with EU. So hopefully if we do get something like that, we will look for it. I'm just waiting on news. I'm waiting on that job openings to come out and see what it gives us. Let's see. We talked about UChef. UJ, I don't really have anything for UJ right now, guys. To be honest, what I would do here, and I mean, what I would look for here on UJ is, since this is our last high into this low here, I really need us to go above this liquidity here, at least into the 50%, and potentially see a distribution that we could sell to the downside and just continue this bearish market cycle, continue the bearish structure, and just continue this market lower. I just need that manipulation of these highs. We're kind of getting that, so see that, and we take it lower. I do have an alert here, so it'll let me know when we do get there. Gold. So I will be taking gold higher today to target these highs up here. See if we can get a pullback back into this area. Let's into that 30-minute candle. Let's see if we can get something there. And I'll be looking for this, right? Take it higher, target these highs up here on gold. So I initially started that. Let's see. Oh, so ACAD as well. I do have a limit order here on ACAD. Hopefully we come down, right? Hopefully we just take out these lows, activate it, and go higher. Reason why I have a limit order on this is pretty simple, right? So looking at our structure, we have low to high, low to high. Zooming into the order flow of that, our last push here from this low gave us this high. We have this low, give us this high, right? We traded back into the 50%, as you can see here. So this is an established low. Zooming into that itself, we have a manipulation of liquidity, right? We manipulate Asian lows. Here's that manipulation here. We see the market push higher. We invalidate this distribution, right? Potential sellers. So we have a nice break of structure here. So simply just waiting for the market to get back and mitigate this area. This also does have news inside of it as well from Friday. So this right here is NFP news. So hopefully we can get this manipulation of these lows here and a mitigation, and we continue the next push. Okay, something I'm looking for. I'm not taking anything here unless we get a reaccumulation. So I need something here before we just don't take this. All right. Maybe something like this. Maybe we see another distribution like the one that we seen here. So maybe another setup like that on the smaller time frame. So let's say market goes here and then we form a distribution like that. And then we invalidate that somehow like this. That is something I would look for, but this is going to be the high probability trade down here, guys. That's a secondary option only if we can't get into anything. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, so CAD JPY, kind of the same thing here that I was looking for on UJ, guys. So after we mitigated this area here, you can see we have order flow, low, high, low. The only thing I don't like about this is all of this liquidity right here. So for that reason, I'm not going to be setting a limit order on this area, but as we come higher and we trade back into the 50%, we will look for selling opportunities here to continue this bearish order flow. Okay, but we need to see a confirmation inside this area because we have liquidity above these highs, pretty obvious liquidity. So we don't want to try to take a sell there, or at least a sell limit. We don't want to take a sell limit over here. We want to wait for that confirmation entry. ACAD, and then let's get into these indices. Let's see what we can do today. I wanted to just sell these. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Starting off with NAS. Let's see. We have an accumulation here. This is equities right there. Okay, equities. We already manipulated Asian highs. We're getting a distribution up here, but we have not confirmed it just yet. Need to break those lows here. And this is just a minor area that I was looking at here. Now, order flow here on NAS, you can see going from the highs to this low. I am looking for us to get back into here. So if we invalidate this area, that's no problem. This is where it's going to be the area for us to get back into, right? Anywhere up here, that's where I'll be looking for that. And as you can see, we are breaking that. So honestly, I'll just have that sit there. Let me see. And I'm gonna keep this here because this could turn into a bigger distribution. So we do have a potential, let's say the market does something like this, I will take that sell like that too. If we do invalidate these lows here. Put that here. Keep an alert there. One of the two. All right, one of those two things happen on NAS, we'll take it. US 30. Let me find a nice candle so far. Let's just keep it on the 1 hour time frame. Outside be look. Did we make the low? I don't think we made the low. We didn't. Okay, never mind. Let's see if we can make this low first. But we did manipulate Asian highs today. So let's see if we can make this low. If we can make this low, I will be looking for a sell out of here. If not, then I'm still going to be looking for up here, guys. That was yesterday's area. And we're near this range as well. So gives us a bit of extra confluence. But I will wait for these lows to be broken first. Let's just take this out. All right, let's keep going. Let's see, NQ, ACAT. If you guys have any pairs that you want me to cover that I haven't looked at yet, please let me know. I am actively trading, so I'm just gonna be moving around a lot. I'm not staying on one thing, so just know that. Let's see. So yeah, gold. I just like the confirmed reaccumulation here on gold, guys, right? We have a distribution, pretty nice distribution. We go lower, take out all these lows here, and then you can see we have a very good impulsive move to the upside. So this is a nice area to look for more long. So I'll be trying to buy the market inside of here, and we're gonna just target this liquidity above here, these highs. All right, keep it simple. Just gonna take out these nice highs right here. So. And let's wait for this. Let's wait for this news though. See what happens here. You guys have any questions? Anything like that? I am looking. Let's see. All right, we need USEF to lock in. USEF to lock in, DXY to lock in. I do like the fact that we slowed down just in general, so that's a good sign. Going to daily time frame, we see very, very, very impulsive bearish candles. Very impulsive bearish candles, like for 1, 2, 3 days straight, right? We finally started slowing down here. You guys can see we have wicks at the bottom. This daily candle, hopefully, if this daily candle continues in a strong bearish candle like this, then I'm just definitely gonna expect this to just continue melting. All right. If we, let's get that out here. If this daily candle ends in a wick like these two, I would expect at least one more manipulation. So if that daily candle ends up in a wick, the market would probably stop like right here in the middle, right? If that happens, that's going to confirm this as a range to me, because we have lows and we have highs right here. As you can see, the market was sitting in between that. Market goes underneath the range. If we immediately come back into the 50%, then I will expect another manipulation before we continue lower, right? If we come back, that's if this daily candle closes in a wick. If it doesn't, I'm just going to expect this to continue falling. Let's delete that real quick. Boom. All right. But for my case and for my trade, I need this to go higher. All right. That's what I need. Let's see. Gold making its way back. We got 5 minutes till news. Tomorrow we have CPI, which is really good. I usually just trade the mitigation to CPI, so that's why I'm kind of happy for CPI and PPI. It's pretty much easy trades as long as you're following the trend and it goes along with the trend. Figures out if you guys have any questions or any pairs that you want me to look at, please let me know and I will cover that for you. Show up the indices real quick, see what's going on here. Okay. Nice. Nice and nice. Okay. Nice and nice. All right. Apple's a bearish day today. Nvidia. Getting close to that 80. And they're really close to that 80. Order flow is still maintaining from up here though. This is the high that we need to break. That's not worth it. We need a better position. Job openings. Come on. Job openings, save us. Okay. All right, that's what we like to see. Let's get this back up here. Let's get a retracement. Okay, we have a distribution here on GU again. Distribution. Hold on, let's look at EU real quick. EU might come down here. Let's put an alert there just in case. And let's get back to gold as well. I didn't hear that alert go off. I want to see what happened on gold. Potential buys there. Remember, we're not being aggressive on EU because we are already near supply. So it's really going to be hard to be aggressive up here because the market is going to be less volatile as we get into this area. We're going to see more pullbacks. We're going to see more rejections. So we don't want to just pull the trigger off of anything, right? Let's see. Let's keep going. Let's see. GU probably going to get a sell down. I'm still, and I will still look for buying opportunities in here if we see an accumulation, right? We don't have a limit order here no more. At first we did, but that limit order is gone, guys. Make sure you do not have a limit order there. I will actually look for a short today too. To be honest, I really just wanted to take the overall area. Yesterday, we missed that entry. So I was already supposed to be in this trade, but yesterday it missed my entry here. So I canceled that order, but look, today it would have missed it anyways again. So that's nice. We'll just leave it alone. Now that I'm seeing this distribution, honestly, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's see if this can give me something here. The XY would be pretty nice if we continue going higher. AU on a daily time frame, we're still within this push, right? I'm still looking for buys on AU. It's just that we haven't given me anything yet to buy from, guys. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. I need us to create something. Maybe today we come take out these lows and then we break this high and then we could just trade that, something like that. I just need something from this market. USD CAD don't look bad either. Hold on. That's funny. Okay. Well, we got our answer. Yeah, we got our answer. Definitely got our answer. What happened? 10. So that 5-minute candle finally closed. Well, okay. What are we thinking? Is it possible? Is it possible? Let's see. It's definitely possible. Market has just been straight bearish anyways. Let's be cautious with these indices, guys. These, I'm not gonna lie. If you would have just sold on market open, if you would have just sold market open here for the last, like, I'd say month or so, yeah, for last month, you would have been a millionaire. Puts, you'll take puts all last month on market open. You'd have been a millionaire. Down, down, down. That's why I'm looking to sell this today. We're not in the best area to sell, but the higher we go, the higher our probability. Right now, we're kind of still in discounted pricing, so this is kind of like the risky area to sell, but so I'm kind of requiring more out of this trade. I like this rejection here. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, so I definitely think that NAS is going to be the one I'm focusing on today. US30 does not look as good. We're just selling off. Pretty sure we're just going to continue selling off here on US30 as well. Probably until we get to down here. But the price action on US30 does not look as good as NAS. So NAS would be the one that we would probably pay attention to. I like the fact that we got the distribution today. I just need us to actually respect it. This little distribution right here. Oop. Let's see what Nvidia is doing. The only thing I don't like is that the fact that Nvidia looks like it wants to have a positive day today, which with NAS, Nvidia is literally like the biggest driver of NAS. So hopefully, yeah, we're seeing a good push on Nvidia today. That's gonna keep NAS going. So we probably will come back up here. Honestly, probably will come back up here. We'll see. We'll see. I still like I just like this whole thing still. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. No biggie, no biggie. I need you, chef. Let me see something real quick. Okay, DXY looks good. I need you, chef, to lock in then. Y looks good. GU. Let's see. ACAD, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Well, there goes that. We're gonna have to look for another entry on ACAD. And make sure I delete that limit order. Well, yeah, there goes ACAD. All right. I just wish we created better price action down here. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna have this here. And just in case. Okay. No divergence. No divergence, guys. No nothing. Just raw price action. I think that's it for today, right? We need him to stop talking. Stocks are dropping. He needs to stop talking. That's what we need. Let's go here. So yeah, CPI is really what I'm gonna be waiting for this week. CPI and PPI, guys. So tomorrow and Thursday, well, Wednesday and Thursday is gonna be the biggest days. Friday looks decent. Consumer sentiment looks decent. Until no. Germany 30. Germany 30. Distribution. Yeah, distribution. I mean, we've been pretty bullish, but just looking on the lower time frame, I think we come and take out all these lows, man. So that's good. So let's just go on the 4 hour. Give you a simple. Once we take out these little lows right here, for the pullback to sell it. I'm supposed to be selling NAS. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Hold on. You're supposed to be selling NAS. How come as soon as I come in the chart, it wants to pull back? doing what you were doing, Nas. Let's keep going lower. Yeah. We're just gonna stick to Nas today. Gold is still looking good. I'm still waiting for us to come down here, guys. Just giving it time. A little bit lower into that area. 45, 30 minute. Yeah, that's the candle. If we don't make it, at least we tapped into the open, which is good, right? If we don't make it to that candle here, once we take out this high, I'll just keep following this lower time frame. So far I see we have an accumulation here, and then if we do break this, I'll just continue to buy it from these areas and continue taking it higher until we get to these highs to the left, if we don't make it down there. I do see we have some market cycle on the lower time frame. We're seeing strong buyers, seeing weak sellers. If we see more strong buyers, then yeah, we'll just continue following these buyers. Until then, we wait. I want to see if anything else created a setup for us today. I expect EU to come lower, back into this range minimum. That's what I'm looking at. GU as well. I expect GU to come lower. This is a nice distribution. Pretty clean. Bitcoin. Still got a long ways to go, bro. Well, yeah, we still got a long ways to go. I wouldn't look into buying Bitcoin until we at least get to 70,000. I think we might. This going to be our best area. Anywhere down here is going to be the best place to buy Bitcoin at the moment. If we break this low here, if we break this area, we'll probably come down to like 30,000, 34,000 if we invalidate this. So the best way to do this, I would say, honestly, dollar cost average. Once we get into here, right, as we tap into here, you know, start buying it. And as we continue lower, start buying it. If we continue lower, just buy it. If we break this area, that's cool. Wait till we get to the $30,000 cost average here as well. You want to be more aggressive down here if we do come down here than up here. So as your dollar cost averaging, don't risk a lot, right? Don't throw a lot into it, especially on your first trade. Just throw as little that you can, but just be careful, right? This is going to be the best area for now. Like I said, if we do continue lower around here, around the 80%, it's going to be your next best area. I do see that we will continue lower. As you guys can see, we do have the distribution up here. Pretty nice distro. Nice distribution. See the market going lower. We come back, mitigate, and now we are in bearish price action. So I see us just continuing that. Changing of hands, guys. Changing of hands. Oh, there goes NAS. There goes NAS. Anybody take any shorts? I did. Not exactly where I wanted to, but yeah. I think for the next couple of days, I'm just gonna wake up and just sell indices as soon as I wake up, as soon as equities open. Let's just sell, because with this bearish pressure right now, follow the momentum. I mean, honestly, guys, I really don't know where we're gonna stop. I was looking at structure from this low to this high on the daily time frame. That's why I have this imbalance right here. I'm looking for us to at least fill all of this imbalance here, hopefully. And maybe we can start getting some rejections around here, around the 71 and the 80. Maybe see an accumulation that takes us back. Maybe. But we have some heavy selling pressure. See on the higher time frame as well. Weekly candles have been bearish. And also, we could come a long way, honestly. Probably all the way back to here, the 16,000. So I was looking at on US 30 as well, potentially coming back into this react here, 36,000. We have a good institutional price point here at the 40K. So we'll see what happens. right, we need DXY to lock in. Keep going up. See, we are pulling back. UCHF is stressing. Got in like right around here. Once I saw these bearish candles here, that's when I got in. Let's hope we keep this bearish pressure until at least the low and fill this imbalance. Stop loss is pretty far, but we'll see. Probably another possibility for another sell. If we do come back up here, show you guys something. Depending on how these candles go, you can see we have a pretty good bullish candle right now that's forming, right? If we engulf this candle on the 15-minute, we don't want to see that. Okay. Remember, where we're at, this is not the best area to sell. Okay, that's why we're being cautious. Not the best area, right? Following order flow up here is premium pricing. This is where we want to sell. That's also near an institutional price point up here as well. So don't get aggressive down here. If you're not in a sell already, you're not in a position from the distribution up here, don't try to chase this. I'm watching this very carefully as well, because knowing indices, they can turn around so fast. Let's see. Low gold. Hello gold. Let me move some of these guys so I don't get confused here. 1, 2. GU. EU. Okay, we'll keep that like that. And then this is, I'm looking at CAD. I like this. Let me move this real quick. I like this whole thing here. I'll use a 2 hour, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour. Okay, we'll use a 45-minute candle. Doesn't really matter. We just need to mark this up quickly. Break a market structure, send alert. I will be selling this out of this once we make this low. I'll have a limit order here. Once we make that low, send alert there as well. I can't spell right now. Maybe we could scale it down. Last time I tried to scale my entry down here on CAD, I missed it. So we're probably not gonna scale down. Last time I tried to scale this down, I missed the entry. Put that right there for now. ACAD. Leave ACAD alone. Now it's still looking good. Okay, yeah, now it's still looking good. Hopefully we just keep dropping off. All right, let's get back into go. Tomorrow we're gonna do the same thing, guys. We're gonna wake up. We're just gonna sell these again. This lows. Let's take out this liquidity here. I need to know when this imbalance gets filled. Daily time frame. Very nice. Comments. This just might be a long-term hold. Until we can get our act together on DXY. I mean, you guys can already see how slow GU and EU already are. Momentum is slowing down. AU is giving us that bearish move, exactly what we want to see. Let's take out these lows. Hello, CAD JPY. All right, yeah, this is gonna be a sell order right there. Maybe targeting 1 to 3. So about right here. Our time frame. This market is bearish. Looking to just take us down into this. I need a better break than that. Way better break. Okay, there goes gold. Get this bullish candle. More seconds. 30 more seconds. 25. Nice break. Nice accumulation on lower time frame. It's a second time frame AQ. If you do take a trade from here, understand your stop loss must go underneath here if you're going to be trading this. Yay, nice break. Nice, nice, nice. All right, gold, let's lock it in. Let's lock it in. Targets, it's gonna be these sides right here. Nice 5 minute it's a nice 5 minute candle. Basically all it's doing is showing us that we actually have potential buyers from here. Pretty much all we need to see. Let's see if we can take it higher. Buy the shell here. Pretty low. Pretty simple here on the CAD-J as well. Let's see if AJ did anything. Nope. ACAT is going to be stubborn. That's nice. Let me see, guys. Hold on. It's Monday? No. Statistically, no. Mondays are usually slow for me. Usually, I'd say based on Wednesday and Friday tends to be like the best days that I've noticed. Wednesdays and Fridays. It's a nice imbalance. That is not what I wanted to see. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Hold on. Fill this gap right here. That's an accumulation. As we go higher, let's see if we start seeing some distros. If we get a distro here, I'm gonna take another sell. Or just some bearish pressure. Let's see how the market just acts up here. Start seeing we get some bearish candles again, it would just sell it off again. Or even just us coming here too. This could be a nice sell as well. The US 30 is not giving us that same price action. So it could just be a fake out. Jeez. Make this full screen for y'all. All right, go. Let's lock in. Let's lock it in. U-Chef is still playing around. Still playing around. Very nice distribution. That we can't lie about. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the day. It was that other selling opportunity there. Oh, there goes gold. Let's go. All right. For those of you that are in here, if you guys don't have any questions or anything like that, I'm gonna go ahead and conclude this live session. Thank you guys for joining. KJ is a really good trade. Placing that order. Chef is still bouncing around, unfortunately. No, thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys tomorrow. We will do another call. same time. Peace out. Thank you guys.